Vlogmas Day 24. Merry Christmas Eve to those of you who celebrate Christmas. It's about 8 o'clock. I woke up a little bit earlier, probably 6:45 or so, took a shower, exfoliated, shaved, slapped on some self-tanner, and I'm ready for the day. Well, not really ready for the day. I'll be ready for the day in about 4 hours when I can wash this off. In about an hour or so, I'm heading over to my dad's because Mary, Matt, and I and my dad always open gifts with him Christmas Eve morning. And then we come home midday and then we go back and have dinner. So that's the plan. I still need to wrap a couple more gifts and load the car up with his gifts. I just wanted to come on here and check in, wish you guys a very Merry Christmas Eve, and kind of give you the rundown for the day. Unfortunately, Carlos has to work a half day today, so he'll be busy all afternoon until about 1 or so. He actually just went to go get some coffee for himself because he doesn't start for another hour. So that's the plan. I'm gonna make some tea, wrap some gifts, and then head over to my dad's. I'm looking like a hot mess, but I just threw on some yoga pants and this like half zip sweater, threw my hair up, threw the gifts in the back of the car, brought me a little peppermint tea, what are they called? Sachet. Because I'm gonna make some when I get to my dad's, and I'm on my way over there. You having some hummus, sweetie?
Almost.
Almost? Making some tea.
Here's another thing I just found out today from Mike.
Hi girls. Hi girls. Are you so excited?
La da 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 oh oh oh. La da 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 oh oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times.
I can't get over this. My dad doesn't wrap gifts, so he just puts it in whatever he can find. One year, one of us got money inside of a tortilla. We really did.
Dick. Dick.
Matt.
Oh, there it is. Ha ha. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
What, baby? What, baby?
And you guys just thought of this year?
No. This has been 5 years coming, but the amount of work this was
I don't
unbelievable.
want to marry you. I can just look at her.
Oh my god.
Those ain't going anywhere, unfortunately.
Man, that did take a lot of different poses, huh? Did it get done in one night?
One night.
It was quite the...
Fucking one night, he said.
Man, did you guys buy new clothes for it too?
Yeah, I
Dad.
actually bought that collared shirt like a year ago.
We
Thinking I was
yeah.
gonna like have fun with that picture just myself, but
Oh, a turtleneck.
We went thrifting.
Very good.
We went thrifting and found everything the amount of times. By the way, I caught all of it. Maybe we should have Dad watch some of the fucking
oh yeah,
Oh, yeah.
some of the footage, Dad. We gotta have you watch it. Maybe if you want to do it on your iPad. Well, there better be one.
it's probably inside.
Oh yeah, it is inside. Open her up. You getting in there?
It says it's 84, 55, 21 right now.
You see it? Yeah. Eating at breakfast right now, some avocado toast with eggs, and as we were unwrapping gifts, the saddest thing freaking happened. My camera dropped. You can see it's super dented right there, and it like won't go back in, nor will it like turn on and function. So I'm gonna go over and see if Best Buy can repair it, and I've kind of been wanting to get a new vlogging camera anyway, so I'm thinking I'll just buy a new one and then just get this one fixed. I don't know, maybe Carlos can use this one. Carlos, I guess, actually said he ordered me a vlog camera through QVC, but it won't be here till the end of January, and that was also supposed to be part of my Christmas gift, but that is too much. So I told him I will go over and buy it, and then he can have this one if they can repair it. I'm so bummed out. I'm sitting in the Best Buy parking lot and I'm filming on my phone, front-facing camera, so if the quality is not great, I apologize, but I went in. Luckily, they had the camera that I wanted, the Canon G7X Mark III. So this is the upgraded one from the camera that I already have. So what I'm gonna do is find a place, hopefully here in town, that fixes cameras, or I might have to mail this one off. And if it's not the cost of an actual, like, getting a new camera, then I will have them repair it and then give this one to Carlos, because he kind of was saying, like, I wanted to get you a new vlogging camera so I could take your old one. Like, how funny is that? But I still want him to be able to do that. So hoping I can still get this fixed. You guys, it's stuck like that. It's so sad. So I'm gonna go home and charge the batteries. Hopefully they're the same batteries as this one, because I have a bunch of batteries for it. Oh my gosh, I hope so. I'm gonna go home and get this all charged up, and this will be kind of interesting because we'll do a little quality test. I don't know if the quality is really going to be much better. It's just supposed to be like faster, like shutter speeds, and it shoots in 4K and all of that. So we shall see. I'm on the new camera. Let's see, let's test it. Pretty good. I found these at Target and they just interested me. I love Junior Mints, but like Junior Mints with a crunch? Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, that autofocus came in clutch. You see the little like crunchies in there. It's like barely crunchy, but it's still pretty bomb. So I just got this palette in the mail from Ofra. Ofra sent this to me, and come on, are you kidding me? Let me take this little plastic thing off. How freaking beautiful is this palette? You have a nice little highlight there. You have a blush, a bronzer, eyeshadow shades, that orange. Oh my god. And that like bronzy gold color. I mean, this is freaking beautiful. This is actually a palette that I got through Octoly. I know I've talked about them a lot recently. I mean, I've talked about them a lot within the past like 3 years on my channel, but a lot recently. I will leave the link down below if you guys create YouTube videos. It's worth it to sign up to browse and like get free makeup products for review. I make no money. I make literally nothing, no commission. We used to like get rewards points and then be able to redeem them for gift cards, but they don't even do that anymore. So just trying to help you guys out if you create content and want to review products. They do have guidelines and I can't remember exactly what they are, but I remember them not being like super crazy. I think you had to have like 1,000 subscribers. I really don't know, but all of it will be linked down below for you guys if you are interested. Before I hop in the shower, I wanted to do our last advent calendar box, drawer, whatever you want to call it. This will conclude the clearance advent calendar. Today is day 12. Ow. Ugh, really struggling here. Ooh. It's actually, it looks like a full-size product. This is the Beauty Flash Balm. It brightens and tightens. It's an instant radiance booster, revives skin's beauty for a softer, smoother, healthier looking complexion. Very nice. After that lip oil scare from yesterday with that scent, I'm worried that everything has a funky scent. Oh no. I think this does also. I don't know why companies put these super heavy, nasty scents in everything. Let me see if this one does. I'm not even gonna. I can kind of smell that one too. Oh my god. Fresh scrub. I don't know about this. I'm kind of bummed about everything being scented like that. Okay, well, I still might give all of these a shot because if they work well, then, I mean, I guess that's all that matters. The scent for me. It's the scent for me. Okay, I am going to go take a shower and I probably won't start getting ready quite yet. I think I'm just gonna shower, honestly, and then go lay down and watch some YouTube videos. All right, you guys, I just got ready. I still need to kind of brush my curls out a little bit. I'm just wearing this gray turtleneck from Shein, some black moto jeans, and then some black booties. I'll give you guys a look in a minute, but I just have something funny to tell you. I got a package from Shein yesterday and I was so excited. I was like, yes, my outfit for Christmas and Christmas Eve is gonna be in this box. Woo! Completely forgetting what I ordered. All pajamas. Are you kidding me? I opened it up and it's like I was excited for the PJs, but also like bummed that, well, I'm not wearing PJs to Christmas, so meh. I definitely need to like, let me see, did that help? I need to figure something out for this corner to make the lighting better, but this is pretty much what I'm wearing. It's kind of casual if you ask me. It's just this turtleneck, a necklace, some black jeans, and some booties from Target. So going comfortable, but I might throw like a little jacket or something on over it. In the package was this really cute like fur coat, and it's like this rust orange color, but I'm not sure. It's like not like that cold, so I don't want to freaking wear a full-on winter coat to my dad, so.
Pop the collar.
Just got home not too long ago and changed into the comfiest thing you guys will ever see. It's a pajama set from Shein. You guys will see it in a haul, but you know what? Let me give you a little sneak peek. I mean, it's not necessarily the cutest thing you've ever seen, but it is the comfiest. It's that super soft, like plush material, and it's just like a robe top with the little like sweatpants. I'm obsessed. So pretty much the rest of the night is looking like me organizing the gifts, bagging the rest of them up, because we have to be up pretty early tomorrow. I'm probably going to like probably shower again, take my makeup off, of course brush my teeth, but pretty much just like get ready for tomorrow, because it's gonna be a long day and we're leaving somewhat early to go to Carlos's parents. So that is all I'm doing the rest of the day. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed my little Christmas Eve festivities, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Christmas. Bye.